Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a charming little Easter Friends box and it's using symbols of fortune paper in the back. And although this one doesn't have any chocolate Easter eggs in, the next one's going to. So let me show you how to make it. You only need a tiny piece of cardstock and a little scrap of paper and it's, you know, job done. So, oh, I can't pick it up. This one was So Saffron with So Saffron little chick on it, and I'm going mint macaron now and slightly different paper, but it's the gold foiling I was after. Okay, 5 by 7.5 inches, 18 by 12.5 centimetres, and let me scooch those out of the way. On the long side, 7.5 inch side, score it at 1, 3.5, 4.5 and 7 inches, which in metric is 2.5, 9, 11.5 and 18. And then on the short side, score it at 1 and 4, which is 2.5 and 10 centimetres. And the finished dimensions, 1 inch by 2.5 by 3, which is 2.5 centimetres by 6.5 by 7.5, size to fit my little chick. That's why I made my box that size. I wanted to fit the chick on it. Chick's too cute. So that's a stamp set called Easter Promise. It's got our little happy chick, a little teeny, well actually that's a duckling, isn't it? It's not a chick. That's chick, that's duckling, that's bunny. It's a duckling. Oh, for goodness sake. I'm going to make my duckling green on this, so, you know, you want to call it a chick, go for it. Look what I found. I found snips. Possibly also bought a couple more pairs the other day. I haven't been able to find the rest. Okay, so I'm going to cut straight down the rectangle and wedge the square all the way around. Oops. So yeah, mint macaron for this one. That skinny little rectangle, going to get rid of that. And the other one. So you're repeating on both sides all the cut and trim and notch and wedge out and everything. Okay. There we go. So I just scooch those into my bin. So that's it separated. So you can see where I've done all of the wedging and everything. So I'm going to put some tear and tape along here because I like my tear and tape. Pop that on there. Peel off the backing. And then it's up to you which is the top or the bottom, but I'm going to come in with 2 sides and the back, and then a little extra piece on there to seal it. And then after that, I'm going to pop the eggs in. So I've got a few different types. Actually, what I ordered was these ones, and they sent me a bag with half of these ones in, little bunnies. So, but we'll just pop this in for now. Loads in there. Oh, billions in. There we go. And then close it up, but we're not sealing it because, you know, you want somebody to be able to get into it. So what I've got is the fine art ribbon. So this is sort of a gold mesh, very lovely. And I'm going to tie a knot, and I'm not worried where the knot is at this point. I will reposition after. Oh, I think I might need to sort them out. Let's get another pair for now. Oh, I've got the world's most blunt scissors. Should have used the new ones. Okay, so that can be positioned onto the top. It would if it would move. There we go. And then I've got a little panel of Whisper White, basic white, 2 1/4 by 2 3/4. inches, which is 6 by 7. And I'm going to give him a little happy duckling. He's so cute. And, oh, look at him. Dancing ducklings and mint macaron, which is not that one. That one. Because, you know, let's have a green duck. And pop him on there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some Wink of Stella and zoom in and just make that colour bleed around a little bit. Not loads, but just I just want a little twinkle going on. But then also, while I've got this, I'm going to get my pumpkin pie and I'm going to go with the tip of my brush into the edge. Just into the side, so I've got a little bit on the tip of my brush, and give him some little pumpkin pie feet and a pumpkin pie beak. He's a silly duckling, isn't he? He's adorable. And then zoom back out, and I want to scribble that off. There we go. And then that's good to use again. Oh no, I forgot to put my paper on. Oh, for goodness sake. Knew there was something I'd missed. So this paper is 2.5 by 7.5 inches, which is 6.5 by 19 centimetres. I'm going to start at the back. Apparently we're now going over the ribbon. That's okay. Gently push it round. I'm going to put some tear and tape on the back, stick it to myself, I probably could get it under that ribbon, couldn't I? Let's do that. That into position, and then there we go. You'd never know, I'd forgotten that. Ribbon on the top, and then I want 4 dimensionals. I'm going to go 1 in each corner. With my oh, and look, and I've forgotten to sponge the edges. You wouldn't even think I haven't filmed in a while. Just around the edges. Yeah, let's just give it a little spongy edge with a blending brush. Think that's done now. And on the front. That will be cute on Easter Sunday on your table as a nice little gift. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.